Hey, it's Jaco here. Thanks for watching this video. And in this video, I wanted to answer the following question. Is it still possible to make money online in 2026? And the quick and simple answer is absolutely yes. People are making money every single day online. But there's a couple of things that you need to understand, especially if you're a beginner, and that is you need to choose the right niche and you need to decide what exactly you want to do, and you need to understand although it's easy to start an online business, it is not quick. You need to be persistent. You need to put a lot of effort in it, and you need to stick with it, right? Don't try it out. You need to give you a 100%. Now there's a couple of things, couple of niches that you need to look at where the money is, where people pay. The first niche is the make money online niche. That's the niche I am in myself. Then you get the health and wellness niche, and you get the relationship niche. Those are the three most important niches. Now, there's other opportunities as well out there, like trading and e-commerce. I mean, I've seen in every niche there are people that are making money, and there's people that's absolutely it doesn't work for him. Trading very difficult to do, very dangerous. Um, there's only the top of the top are actually making money with it. E-commerce, if you don't do it right, you will fail miserably. And where I am with make money online, I focus on a system that helps me to do things. Build my email list and let me help me earn money at the back end, passive income. So I'm going to share that with you. So if you want to start out, this is the way I recommend you should go. But it's all up to you, of course. I use a free system, like I said, called MLM Lead Pro. Free system, there's no upgrades, doesn't cost you anything, and MLM Lead Pro does two things. It helps you build your email list. But if you don't know, your email list as an online marketer is your biggest asset. Right? With social media, algorithms change all the time. SEO changes all the time, the algorithm with that. But with your email list, that is your asset, and you can email consistently, send emails to your leads, um, and share with them, build trust, of course, and then share with them opportunities. Now, with MLM Lead Pro, it's very simple. We use a platform called Lead Sleep. We connect that Lead Sleep's email list with MLM Lead Pro. Very easy to do, step by step training are provided, and you build your email list. Right, so and you can automate everything, absolutely everything. So you don't have to send emails. We've got over 60 emails that you can, um, with just a few steps, add to your email list, and everything is automated. So very simple to do it. The second thing that MLM Lead Pro does is offer you the chance to join the opportunities within MLM Lead Pro. Now there are three core programs that you can join. You don't have to join them. Low cost to start, um, and you can earn passive income from them as well. And when I mean low cost, for example, step one, the opportunity there, affiliate mentor is only $25 once off. There are upgrades, but you can earn those upgrades. You don't have to pay for them if you can't. Right, then this step 4 is only $7, and I think step 5 is $10. You don't have to join any of them if you don't want to. And the cool thing is, steps 2 and step 3, if you are, for example, have your own opportunities already, you can add them there. If you're a beginner, obviously, then you can just take a look at what your sponsor has to offer, and with it, you don't have to join it if you don't want to either. So MLM Lead Pro offers you the opportunity to build your email list and to earn with these opportunities at the back end. Now the cool thing is also you you can promote your opportunities within the traffic exchange that they got. You get the training step by step to help you everything to set everything up. Yeah, when you join the first time, you have this step by step launch wizard, which will take you step by step exactly what to do. You just watch the video, follow the instructions, and you go to step 2, Lead Sleep Setup, which is your email list platform, traffic and activation. So MLM Lead Pro offers you everything you need, and the coolest thing is they have done for you opt-in pages. Now, opt-in page is where someone add their name and email to get more information, and that you capture that information on your email list, right? So this is all done for you. You can just open a library and find one that you like. You can edit it. You can add a tracking link so you can see exactly where your leads come from. And we provide all the training, video training, to help you to set up everything. And like I said, you can add your own programs, and in the dashboard you can change that step 2 and step 3 if you want. So MLM Lead Pro is an amazing opportunity for you to start as a free system which offers you proven and tested opportunities, and it helps you build your email list. So if that interests you, if you're a beginner, even if you're been online for a while, doesn't matter, you can use MLM Lead Pro, because when somebody joins you, MLM Lead Pro offers duplication, and duplication is key if you want to succeed with affiliate marketing or even with network marketing. So yeah, if you're interested, please take a look in the description, click on the link and follow the instructions. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.